My name is Roger Montag, president of Montag Manufacturing. We're located in Emmitsburg, Iowa, and serve the ag industry with banding solutions. Well, our core business is banding fertilizer, specifically dry. We give you the ability to handle dry fertilizer in much the same way as you may have handled liquids in the past. So we can do row-to-row application with good accuracy, and it allows you to be able to apply fertilizer in multiple rows, 8, 12, 16, 24-row configurations. We're coming out with some new products that are on the market right now that allow you to do any number of rows you want. So individual rows, anything from 1 to 18 on the new system. We're also doing multiple tanks and creating the new blends in the field in real time. So those are our breakthroughs that we're kind of offering our customers now. As far as runoff, injecting the fertilizer in a band and controlling that process is reducing the runoff considerably over a no-till broadcast where you got a lot of water runoff that may be coming in the spring. This was a fall application or even spring runoff. So putting that fertilizer down on the ground, reducing the rate, those are the ways we're cutting that runoff. Well, the Gen 1 system that we've had for years is a single product system. It's capable of doing variable rate, but it's going to be variable rate of a blend that you've already put in the system. The Gen 2 is a multiple tank system where you can actually change the recipe in the field, changing the ratios of NPK. And so if you've got the mapping done and you got everything set up to where you have that information, this is going to give you a full array of options there. Also, the new system has the ability to allow you to do swath control now. We can swath down to 1 row if you had the controller capacity and wanted to set it up that way. So that'll be a new thing. You can also exchange on the Gen 2 system. You can convert a 16 to a 12, a 12 to a 16, or any number in between. The cartridges are replaceable. You simply take this cartridge out and replace it with this blank cartridge, and any combination that you want is available by setting the system up the way you want it. So you got a lot of options in there, a lot of variability built into this new system. So I think it's going to be a big hit with people who are taking this technical approach to agriculture to the next level. What we're looking for here is efficiency, and placing the fertilizer in the zone right below in the root zone is going to be the most efficient thing you can do. And a lot of times we're looking at, a lot of customers are saying, okay, I got a 1-year lease here. I want to feed this year's crop. I'm not necessarily looking for a long-term solution here. In another case, you may be looking to variable rate this thing, so you're capable of doing that if you're set up to read the maps and everything. So I think efficiency is the big key of where we can not only save some money on the input side, but we can improve the potential crop yield on the other side. So we're really getting this thing a gain on your bottom line in 2 ways. A savings on one side and an increase in yield on the other. I would say what I like about this is you have a good clientele coming in here. It's kind of a more of a hand-picked group of people. These people are the committed folks who are kind of the moving front edge, leading people in a lot of ways. It's the premium customers that we're trying to sell to in a lot of cases as well, and so we see a concentration of those folks here, which is what's worth a lot to us, to have a smaller group but more intense as far as customers. So yeah, we're quite happy to be here.